Hello and welcome back to the Matrix AI Network weekly video update. I'll be rolling solo today because admittedly it has been a pretty slow news week, but fret not, we'll be back with our regular rotating chair of guests starting next week. But for today, only me. Let's get going. Number one, we are happy to announce that the Matrix AI Network will be attending the Nippon Foundation Social Innovation Week in Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan. We will be attending the Crypto Deep Dive Conference on September 9th. We invite all of our fans in Japan, or otherwise if you want to travel, to attend. Number two. Actually, there's no number two this week. Like I said, it's a slow news week. We'll be back next week with more news. There's a few things in the pipeline that I just can't share yet, but I'm pretty sure we'll have something for you next week. Welcome to the question block. We'll only be tackling one question this week because there's quite a bit to unpack. Let's do it. As always, these types of questions rely on a series of variables, trade-offs, compromises, and it really kind of depends on the preferences of the user. Let's put it this way. Currently, a masternode can be run with a single core. However, that would be pretty slow. Therefore, it's recommended to use multiple cores. You'll also want to configure your system's kernel for maximum efficiency. If you want to run 50,000 TPS, you can expect your system's kernel CPU usage to be very, very high. At present, the P2P network, consensus algorithm, and transaction packaging processes each use one core, so that's a total of 3. Then, encryption and decryption checks and verifications require a variable number of cores. You should know that each core can handle up to 5,000 checks or signatures. In our lab setting, our rigs are currently using 2 cores each for encryption and decryption, so we're up to 7. Finally, we also have 1 core running a scheduling algorithm. So we're currently using 8 cores to run a validator masternode. However, please note that if you want to do some mining, that's also going to require an additional core. As such, while a regular computer can be used by configuring a dual core specification, we recommend specialized dedicated hardware. And that's it for this week. Please send any questions to question@matrix.space, and see you next week.
Clear. Or what you can get.